Hey guys, hello and welcome to Atom to Type. In the previous video, we have seen how to install our Dave C++, and in this video, we are going to see the introduction of C programming language. When anyone asks you the basic question, from where does the C language came from, and what is C, and what we are going to do from C, and where we can use our C language. For all that doubts, I am going to give clarification in this session. So, please be attentive and listen to me when I explain these everything. So when you ask what is C programming, if you are what will be your answer, and if you ask me the same question, my answer will be C is a general purpose programming language that is extremely popular, simple and flexible. It is machine independent, structured programming language which is used extensively in various applications. So this would be my answer, and in adding to that, I will say C was the basic language and will be the basic language and will forever be the basic language if you want to start programming in your career. And to write everything from operating systems like Microsoft and many other operating systems to complex programs like the Oracle database, Git, Python interpreter, and many more. And so that is why C is called as God's programming language. And I can say C is a base for the programming language, as I always said, and this would be the sentence which will be common in future too. If you want to start programming, the basement or the base language you have to learn is your C. And if you know C, you can easily grasp the knowledge of the other programming languages that uses the concepts of C. And to learn C, what is essential? And if you ask me the same, I'd say it is essential to have background in computer memory and mechanisms because it is an important aspect when dealing with the C programming languages. बस अभी के लिए थोड़ा रुक जाओ और सब्र करो, अभी इतना सीखना नहीं है क्योंकि we are going to learn these all things in the upcoming videos. So when you ask me from where C languages come from, and who has invented C and who has put this much burden on us to learn this very big language. So if you go to the history of the C language, all the programming and everything has started with the creation of ALGOL, which was the firstly introduced language in 1960. So let me show my this. Okay, here it is. ALGOL is the father of programming languages, which was introduced or created in 1960, and it was the first programming language. It was used on a large basis in European countries. ALGOL introduced concept of structured programming to the developer community. In 1967, ALGOL was later modified into BCPL, and we can say it is the next programming language which was used or introduced or created by Martin Richards, and then developing BCPL BCPL later turned into B, and which was created by Ken Thompson in 1970s. Let me say one thing, both BCPL and B both were created using Unix operating system. Unix is basically an operating system which was used to create BCPL and B, and later the language which we are studying now, and the modified language C, was created by a computer scientist. Basically, programming language will be created by computer scientist, and that is our Dennis Ritchie. He created the computer programming language C in the year 1972, and there started the journey of programming language C. Until today, we are learning C, and I am sure our future generations will also learn C. So okay, we have learned what is C and where it came from and what we can do with C. So okay, for doing anything we need a proper procedure, right? And for that we need like for doing any task we need to think how we are going. Like if you want to go to your home from your college, you have to think the way you are going to choose. In the same way, when you are writing a program, the main thing you have to think is how we are going to approach our result. How our result would come if by the steps, and what steps we must use or we should choose to get our result. In ordinary times, if you ask me, when you are preparing your coffee, you should go through a proper procedure to get a proper output. And for in everything, you must have to go in a proper procedure to get a proper output. In the same way, if you want to get your proper result, or if you want to approach your result properly, you must have to follow the proper algorithm. So dosto, up like now we got the definition of algorithm also. Let's see. The algorithm is the way we everyone approaches the result. And that is the main thing which we have to choose. And the program length, and, and basically the program coming to the point, making your program lengthy or shorty is completely based on your algorithm. And that is the basic thing you must have to know. We must have to know. And don't get tensed or worried. We have just started, and C is a great, and learning C is great fun. Trust me, I'm your co-student, and learning C is great fun, and we are going to have fun with this algorithm and everything. And for till now or till the next class, just remember, not next class, till the end of you leave programming, just remember that whatever language you are going to choose, the basic thing you must have to know is your algorithm. By what I mean is the way you are choosing to reach the result or to approach the result. आज के लिए इतना है, और ध्यान देना तो it becomes sin if I say more, it would be confusing you. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope I have reached your expectations of teaching. And if you like this video, give a like, and came here first time, just subscribe the channel and give suggestions in your comment box to improve our channel and page Atom to Hype. And do follow the page on Instagram and stay contacted with us in a virtual way, not in a real way, because Corona is ruling over the country, not over the country, the universe. Take care and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.